Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to bake bread. You will need these materials: toaster, bread. Once you get all of the ingredients, please follow these steps. We don't want you missing any. First, get the bread out. Got the bread. After you get your bread out, put it in the toaster. Tip: don't touch the toaster's bars, they will burn your fingers. Open the toaster by the handle. Then, put your bread in. Still don't touch the toaster bars while putting it in. Tip: it's best keeping the bread straight looking out of the toaster window, so you don't burn your hands while getting it out. Turn your oven temperature to light. If you want to do a bit of medium, that's okay. I just don't recommend doing dark. Also, you should put the toaster temperature to 450 degrees. It is mostly the toast temperature. Then you should wait until the toaster is done making the bread warm. Then, when the toaster is done, you can open the toaster. Don't forget your plate. Put the plate in front of the bread in the toaster, then get a finger and push the bread onto your plate carefully. You don't want to burn your fingers. Happy bread eating! If you don't have any bread, watch my video, how to make your own bread. Bye.